Guys, so we're at this waterfall down on the Great Ocean Road. Just hooked the treble. Oh, come off. Just gonna wet my hand because I'm not sure what it is. Not sure what type of fish this is, but yeah, just. Don't know what species this is. I'm gonna try and get another one. Dante, go down more. Okay, try, keep trying. You go there. I'm alive. Okay, I'm gonna have one cast in here. If it's bad, I'm just gonna move. Guys, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm using to catch these fish. I'm not sure what brand it is. I think I got it at the boat show. So yeah, just using this little minnow bait fish type lure with a rattle inside with trebles. And how I'm catching them is I'm just finding a little nice spot like this, getting the lure, just flicking it to the end of it and just holding the line and then holding the rod, not reeling in, but just gently whipping the rod tip so it's moving. But I got a snag, and yeah, but that's just showing you how I catch them. We'll give it another shot, see if we can get anything on camera. Nothing that time. Yeah, if I get anything, I'll come back to another one of these fish. I'm not sure what they are. Might be like a lamprey or something. Whoops. Yeah, this one's a different species, I think. Just gonna release him and get him off on his way. Oh, he just cast out into the deeper part. I'm gonna try and get a hook up on tape.
Wait, it just did this.
I know it.
Oh, there's a spider. There's a spider. And I just took it from the surface.
They're all hungry, mate.
Oh,
He took the spider from the surface.